Hi and welcome to this video where we're going to show the mail migration engine migrating a Domino discussion database. Here's our discussion database, and as you can see we have some very simple documents in it. We have the standard views, and we're going to be migrating the all documents by author and by category views. So if we click on by category, we can see that some are not categorized and some are. And if we open one of these documents, we can see that there's some very simple text in these. We have some tables, doc links, and pictures as well. So what I'm going to do in the mail migration engine, I've set up an export option for HTML using the discussion style sheet, which we've separately set up. Here's the style sheet, discussion style sheet. We've set up some view design and some style overrides, and the rest of this is standard as comes with MME. So now what we're going to do is we're going to export everything, exclude nothing, and include all folders. The view design will actually take care of exactly what gets pulled from the database. So let's give this a run. So if I click on the schedule and do run as soon as possible, on the Domino server, at the bottom we will start to see, there we go, that the discussion database is being migrated, and it took 0.829 seconds. In the file system, if we refresh this, we'll see that we now have an NFAQ export, which is the name of our discussion database, and in the HTML directory eventually we'll find an index.html. If we open up the index.html, we can see the HTML version of our database. Here's our discussion database, and here's our documents. As you can see, they look very similar to the ones in notes. As this is a frame set, we can even resize this to make this easier to visualize. Here's our document with a table, doc links, and pictures. And as you can see, we've got all documents by author and categorized. Switch back to the by author just quickly, and you can see that we can expand and collapse these particular categorized views as we want to. We've also got a search bar where we can do link, for instance, and it'll find any document with link in it. So that's how we migrate a discussion database to HTML.